Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam and in this PTC Creo Parametric series. In this video, we will be talking about our next tool, which is Mirror. If you haven't checked our complete PTC Creo Parametric list where we are covering each and every feature from starting, then do check out the link that I have added of the entire PTC Creo Parametric list in the description down below. And this is 73rd video on this series. Last tool that we have covered was pattern, and we have covered each and every pattern variant in that. Let's now talk about the tool that we would like to cover in this video, which is Mirror tool. The Mirror tool in CAD software like PTC Creo is used to replicate features, part, or geometry symmetrically across the defined plane. So this is the difference, I would say, between the pattern and Mirror. Secondly, I would say it is more simpler and easier compared to pattern tool because we are aware of we just need to create a replica of certain object and that needs to be symmetric. So it is very easy to simply select the feature, click on Mirror, click on plane, and just do it. So you can see how easy it was to mirror these two features which I have created group of to another side of this symmetry plane. And another reason why one can choose Mirror tool apart from simplicity, the kind of flexibility it provides. I mean, not that kind of flexibility that we have seen in pattern tool, but here basically what we can do, we can avoid redundancy. Let me show you how. So I'm gonna go back here in edit definition, and if I click here on option, I can actually make it fully independent copy. So here now you can see since I made it partially dependent. And now if I, let's say, want to make any change here on this geometry, I am free to do that and it will not make any changes. And let me actually make it 10. And this is actually the mirrored object. So here you can see I was able to change this based on the way I want. So still I would say it is kind of dependent on my first geometry. So in this way, guys, we have created this entity independent from original entity. So this kind of independence also we can achieve using Mirror tool. And let me actually delete this mirror, and I'm gonna go back here and let's again do Mirror. And this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again click here on dynamic edit, and now let me make it 30. And I also would like to increase this 10. This time, it is by default. So here you can see the dependent mirror body changes itself exactly the way we change as independent body. So they are, I would say, perfectly same when we choose option to create a mirror as dependent copy. And sometime, when we make some changes, when it does not replicate in other instances, you can simply click on reapply mirror. And in this way, guys, you will able to fix the issues if your mirrored body is not updated. And that's all from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If you want to follow more such engineering topics and want to follow this PTC Creo Parametric series for free, please do like and subscribe to Technoholic if you have not subscribed yet. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.